sorted.
Hi, I'm Dad.
Today we're going to show you the Temu Mecha Deformation.
Optimus Prime thing. This is the real one, obviously.
And this is the Temu one.
Let's build it and show you what it looks like and what features it has in truck form. Let's build it. Welcome back. This is the Temu Optimus Prime.
Mecha Deformation.
Yeah, this is the truck version. Have a look at our robot version if you want to have a look. Unlike good old Optimus over here, it does not transform, does it?
Nope.
You have to pull it apart and rebuild it.
Ring. The thing I don't like about it is like it does this. It's not like stable.
The back of it's like swingy.
But it's broken.
It's loose as a goose. All the stickers. I don't think I put the pieces in the right spot.
There is binoculars for the jetpacks, I'm saying.
Binoculars for the muffler.
There is guns for like these.
No, they got the exhaust pipes here, but they're super loose. This windscreen is just like free floating. The lights are looking up rather than straight. You can see how flimsy it is. Someone in the comments told me how fragile these ball joints are. Yeah, I broke it trying to take this guy apart. So I've taken him down from robot to truck. I broke a piece and all I did was try to take it off. So yes, they're very fragile. It does kind of look like Optimus, but then when you... It does.
These flames and that's just plain red.
When you compare it like size-wise, it's like...
nowhere near. And Optimus has a gun. And this one doesn't. Or I guess it does.
You don't get any like additionals. You know, this you get the hacky thing and the gun thing.
The hacky sack.
And the Velociraptor cube. I can't remember what it's called. You don't get anything with this. You just get the truck.
I honestly don't like it.
You don't like it? That's not what you said about the robot. You said you liked it, I think.
I like the robot. I don't like this.
The truck? Yeah, it's very small, as you can see. Let us know what you think.
In the comments.
Which one do you like better? Mecha Optimus?
Mecha Deformation.
Mecha Deformation Optimus or
the real old school Transformer.
Optimus Prime. I hope they make more Transformers. This is discontinued on Temu, but you can buy it on AliExpress for like $4 I saw the other day.
$4?
Yeah, I think it was $20 when I bought it from Temu, but AliExpress is like $4. Buy it if you want, but buy it at your own risk. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
What's happening? What was that?
What? You gotta build it, unbox the bags, and then you built it.
He's doing a reenactment. What else can we tell them? What else can we tell them, Bob?